Are you tired of sending emails with an outdated signature? Learn how to change your Zoho Mail signature in under 2 minutes. First, we'll access the settings, then find the signature editor, make your changes, and save it. Let's dive in. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Then, in the left sidebar, click Signature. Now select the signature you want to change. In this case, the AI Mastery signature. You can change the signature details, like text or formatting. You can also adjust the signature position, such as above or below replies. Once you're done, click Update. You can then view the updated signature in the Signatures section. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.